Welcome viewers to this program. This is a new program under Kisumu City Cancer Organization. It's an organization that is focusing on cancer mitigation, cancer awareness, patient navigation, patient support, and also we are doing advocacy and nutrition. Today we have our guest here, Steve. Please kindly introduce yourself.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, and it is my honor to come to your organization, even that we also say one or two. My name is Stephen Ochie, and I am a food science and nutritionist professional, and I've come upon invitation that we may discuss nutrition issues as far as mitigation of health is concerned, and to be precisely the novel COVID-19, which have really impacted us negatively, so that we have come to see how best can we deal with it nutritionally and also understand some deeper aspects of food science and nutrition. To understand really food science and its importance, it starts on the ground, that how do you prepare this particular food from the soil, how do you harvest, what are the method of you preparing it raw to the point that is in the table. And among other factors that we need to put across is that we eat that we may live healthy. And one of the way to live healthy is to avoid diseases, to avoid life-threatening issues like COVID-19, the cancer cases, high blood pressure, those on and so forth. And so nutrition plays a key role in us being healthy. Because I can quote that it's a common verse that normally said that a time is coming that we are going to treat ourselves by use of actually food and not injecting ourselves with the drugs. So the choice of food plays a key important role in fighting for disease. And so I can just say that nutrition is key, because we need to understand the food that we take, the method of preparation, because different body plays a different kind of metabolism reaction with different kind of nutrients we take. And that is why we are here, that we may enlighten ourselves as to what we need to consider. Basically, we have major three categories of food groups. We have the micronutrients and the micronutrients. So among the macros, we have like proteins, the carbohydrates, and the vitamins, going so on even to the minerals, water also. And so why we need to put into keen interest is that who are the people are we addressing? Are we addressing the young people? Are we addressing the senior youth? Or are we addressing them who are sickly? So the particular group of people will take an important role in this aspect, because for the young people, they are really active, and they will be introduced to foods like carbohydrate to give them energy and so on and so forth. And food like protein are for replenishing our skins and also building other tissues which have been broken down. And that is where we need to understand that which food are we choosing for particular mission in our lives. And for this case, our main intention is that what is food playing, or what is our nutrient choice playing as far as we want to mitigate diseases in our system. And this is the reason why we need to understand that when I take this food, am I taking it as just any food, or there is a target I need to achieve? And something of interest is that as young people, let me start from there. As young people, we take food not considering our health, really. But sometimes we just want to conform with the social status, we want to conform with a particular gender group. But of key interest, as you age about, you realize that your health is of importance. And that is why we want to even instill that mindset in young people.
Okay, thank you. So, according to what I get from you, is that each category, let's say the young children, there's a type of food that they need to take. The youths, the elderly, that can help in building the immunity. Now, let us come back to the non-communicable diseases. And what can you say about nutrition versus non-communicable diseases? And then we are going to look at nutrition versus COVID-19. Yes.
In understanding our immune system is just how our body responds when you are attacked by a disease. How is your body responding from an attack of maybe microbes and on and so forth? And so, in understanding immune system, this is just how cells have aligned themselves, grouped themselves, that in case of an attack, what do we do? And so I can say that non-communicable diseases are brought by lifestyle. And lifestyle is on the choice that what are you choosing, what are you taking. And even I can say that let us try also, this is a common practice, to avoid food which are highly fat. And also, regular exercise is key. When you do exercise, at least it makes you active, moving excess calories in you, and making your system to be free, yeah, and so on and so forth. And also, finally, that on which type of food that you need to take. One thing I need to advise strongly is that we cannot group you on a strict curve that you have to eat this, right? Yeah, because nowadays life is dynamical. You may miss this nutrient here but find it on another. So if I restrict you, you may miss something which is important. So currently, the current guideline that we have is that just check on the amount you're taking. Like if I take the case for a diabetic patient, for example, in diabetes, we don't have a strict diet for a diabetic patient, but if you talk like the person has to eat fruits regularly, but in a controlled amount. Like if it is a mango, let it just be a half of it, right? If it's avocado, cut a half of it. And so make sure that in a day do not miss biting a fruit, and also be a strong lover of vegetable body. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Steve. Thank you so much, viewers. I think you've had a very wonderful discussion, and you have learned a lot from our guest, Steve. And he will be here with us every now and again to teach us more about nutrition and how to go about it. You've heard that you have to take a lot of water, you have to take at least fruit a day, and also you have to depend on vegetables mostly, and avoid too much meat, too much sugar, which maybe they have a reason. And stay safe, stay home, and protect yourself from COVID-19. Keep distance, wash your hands, and also eat a healthy diet. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Steve. Please welcome again, and I hope next time we shall have a discussion on another thing altogether.
Thank you
so much.